This is Wolf with Mythic Guitar Company, and I am rearranging my shop for mass production. So what we have here is anything that creates wood particulates or dust of any kind stays in this room. This room still needs a lot of work. I'm not done here. General stations, etc. These doors stay closed, keep dust in as best as possible. So when body blanks and necks come in, they'll be on a rack together. They come here and do a little surface prep. Then they go to the paint booth. This tape line is going to be the new paint booth. This old paint booth is going away. And then once it's primered, it comes over here for wet sand. Then it goes back over here for paint and clear coat. Then once that's done, it goes in the racks and they sit here and cure. Once they're cured, they come over here for wet sanding of the clear coat. Once that's done, they can sit on the racks here. Then imagine this being a bunch of pickguards all being wired at the same time. The bodies and necks, by the way, this is our neck station, so we're putting the frets in here, and then this moves out of the way. Then we do the level crown and polish right here. All the stuff will stack up here or in the carts. Then basically, once the bodies and the necks are done, they come over here for final assembly. So we're assembling the bodies and the necks and the wiring all in this spot here. There's a place where guitars can hang out, but they probably won't sit there. It's just there. We'll probably have specific racks for the guitars to go in. This over here is a pickup winding station. So we have a CNC pickup winder and all the crap that goes with it. So that's basically it. Then once the guitars are completely finished and they're on the racks, then they're going to go upstairs, and I'm going to have basically beams hanging across where all the guitars can hang on the racks across the inside there. And that's basically it. Like I said, this room is going to be redone. Bathroom, nothing's going to happen in the bathroom. And this in here it also needs to be cleaned again, but this is all the local Mythic guitar work. So anything local repairs, things like that, just about all that's going to happen here, whereas all the mass production stuff happens out here. Anything that has to do with basically putting the blanks together, milling the blanks down to thickness, CNCing the body shapes and the neck shapes, assembly of the neck minus the frets, and then all of the grain fill, surface kind of leveling and all that stuff. Everything from wood all the way to primer, up to primer, happens 2 doors down. Once everything's primered, ready to go, then it comes here, then I start everything I just said, all the way up to final assembly and setup. And that's basically it. And I'm doing this for my own guitars as well as other companies. So if you need guitars made, guitars and or necks, we can do 6 strings, 7 strings, 8 strings, 9 strings, it doesn't matter. Any design you want, we can job shop it out to you. And we can probably handle roughly 20 to 50 per month per customer. So yeah, if you're in need of somebody to cut bodies and necks for you, let me know.